हाय गुड मॉर्निंग. सो टुडे इज संडे 9th जून. जनवरी तो वेट कर रही है कि 9th जून वाला कंपटीशन करना है. सो फाइनली द डे हैज़ कम. सो मॉर्निंग कॉफ़ी एंड मेकअप नाल वी आर गेटिंग टू स्टार्टेड. सो बस हम स्टार्ट करांगे मेकअप रूटीन ते विद एन आवर अपना. सो दिस इज़ माई बिकीनी कलर मजेंटा पिंक. सो बस मेकअप लगा के एंड देन अपना लाइक कहते हैं ना लाइक feeling like a bridal day. Full makeup with the nice clothing. So बस एक करके तैयार everything and then बस जो मतलब मेहनत करी है mentally physically उदी performance करांगे on stage and looking forward for it. Fingers are crossed. बाकी रब रखा अपना best देना है. That's it.
Hi guys, we are here and today is the last day. But it's going to be competing first international show. So we've done our best and she's looking great. And other than that, it's going to be Saramya, Vishwajit and everybody else. And we're going to hope for the best. नहीं. So we've done with the tanning. अब बस थोड़ी देर के बाद we'll put the shiner and then on stage. So Aish is also putting in a very hard work. And Madhur sir is always here to support us. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा डार्क हो सकता है. मतलब अभी 5 मिनट सूखने तो फिर लगाना है थोड़ा.
जैसे अभी बस 40 मिनट्स तक स्टेज पे जाना है और फीलिंग एक्साइटेड. अच्छा लग रहा है. और इस बार पहले हमेशा ऑडियंस में आती थी और एज अ स्पोर्टर आती थी, तो इस बार ही कम्पीट कर रही हूँ. तो यस द फीलिंग इज़ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट एंड एक्साइटमेंट इज़ यस देयर. Feeling good.
Well, people just see an athlete on the stage, but it's a teamwork. Without, the whole team, that athlete cannot be, able to portray whatever he or she wants to do that. So it's a team effort. Everybody adds a role to that. And I have a wonderful team. There is the kind of family bond we all have is really good. It just inspires each one of us to get better and better. Of course, without Suhesh, nothing would have been possible. He has to take care of all the tantrums and everything, meals and everything. He has hardly slept today. He's more nervous than me. He's more nervous, so he has already told me I will not come in front of the stage to see you. I'm going to sit here only. So he's already said that. So let's see.
Guys, we are done with the pre-judging. So it started with bikini. Suramya and Balreet were both in the first call out. फिर उसके बाद Vishwajit, he was also in the first call out. Pranav was in the third call out, but he's done great from where he started, and we'll improve on that. And Rohan was in the second call out. So अभी खत्म हुआ है, finals होंगे, and उसके बाद it's going to be Sunmeet and Prerna for the pro show. So everybody just chilling right now. फिर finals के लिए तैयार होंगे. And
बिकॉज़ हम जल्दी आए थे ना तो मैं घुस गया था, अदरवाइज अब तो सर को भी नहीं जाने देते।
Lohit भी आया.
कभी आई थी
Next pro. Natural pro. क्या? गालियाँ.
नेक्स्ट के कैमरा में
प्रणव भी आ गए हैं. So guys, the results are out. Bikini में Suramya placed third, Balreet placed fourth, and in men's physique, Vishwajit placed fifth. So अभी वो यहीं था, but we'll just talk to him for a bit. चला गया. Yeah, so he's back finally. So how was your experience?
Experience was fantastic, sir.
And on stage also.
Yes, so coming from call out last time to actually coming fifth in such a stacked lineup and group A, जहाँ पे I think the maximum number of participants रहते हैं.
Yeah.
To come fifth there after such a period is exhilarating, and I think the period that we have had since December 2022 continuously in the to be here finally making it all happen. I think it's something that can't be just explained in words, because it still might not be a medal, but coming from fifth call out to fifth is like basically वो fifth call out मतलब पता नहीं क्या रैंकिंग हुआ होगा, 50 भी हो सकता है, 40 भी हो सकता है, but bottom line is वही 40-50 से एकदम पांचवा में आ गया. Next time you are coming this.
So what was your stage weight last time?
Stage weight was 71 point something.
Okay.
And this time we are 77 point something.
Yeah, so like in 6 months we kind of gained 6 kgs
Correct.
of stage weight, but he was also leaner. So
I was much leaner.
So actual muscle mass gain would be much higher.
Much higher.
Yeah. So next time we'll see you again after maybe 4-5 kgs of muscle.
100%. 4-5 kilos. See, बात यहाँ पे ये है कि सर को भी मैंने बोला है कि the idea is not to continuously compete and try to gain as much medals as possible. The idea is very simple. We need to improve. वो improvement होना चाहिए every game.
उसके लिए आपको पैसे और टाइम चाहिए ना.
पैसे और टाइम वो सारे लगाएंगे सर. वो मेहनत
लगे रहो. And we need it in the right places. We don't want muscle overall. We just need it.
The right proportion.
Yeah.
जो improvements है, जो अपना को weak points है, जहाँ पे हम लोग
We can probably gain more on the hamstrings, glutes, chest.
exactly. वो सर देख लेंगे. मैं तो बस check in भेजूंगा.
चलो. Are you ready for the vodka tonight?
Yes, vodka and lots of rotis for me.
So next we have Sunmeet and Prerna. So Sunmeet अभी रेस्ट कर रहा है. Let's see how is he doing. आज की और ये थे. How are you feeling?
बहुत बढ़िया. Hi. Full of joy, full of energy. And full of confidence.
So इस बारी we are about close to 90 kgs. Last time कितने थे?
Last time 87 something.
So 3 kgs more muscle and leaner. So लगा लो 4 किलो हो गए basically. And we are more balanced and overall his midsection is even better than last time. So गा पाएंगे इस बारी.
गा पाएंगे, गा पूरा. और न्यू पोजिंग रूटीन विद डिफरेंट सॉन्ग्स.
पर तो लगा जा रहे हैं ओलंपिया जा रहे हैं आप.
ओलंपिया जा रहे हैं, टिकट करा लो जिन्हें जाना है मेरे साथ.
मेरी करा के दे फ्री च.
सर की करा दूंगा, कैश प्राइज जीतूंगा उसमें से.
तो हम लाइव अभी यही लगना.
मेरा भी लग जाए, बेटर है. सो जीतेंगे.
From India, from number 1, 1, 2.
So we are done with the pre-judging for the pro show and Prerna was looking great. यहाँ बैठे हैं. इनको लग रहा था अच्छे नहीं लग रहे but लग रहे हैं. But it was kind of a short prep and we kind of managed to get a good look and we'll improve on that. And Sunmeet was in first call out, so we are expecting either a third or a fourth. We would have expected him to do better, but the other guys were bigger and with time we'll grow. So we have still 4 kgs to reach the weight cap, so तब तक और better हो जाएगा. So just waiting for the finals and फिर घर जाके हम rest करेंगे and we'll have a small party.
Rest and party, team cheer party.
So let's see how the finals go.
In the third place, you have slot number 112, Sunmeet Gill from India.
Managed to maintain our positioning. Third place.
नो डाउन प्लेसिंग.
या थोड़ी सी इम्प्रूवमेंट चाहिए. लाइक आई सेड बिफोर, वो हम करके नेक्स्ट टाइम आएंगे.
और इम्प्रूवमेंट करके आएंगे प्लेसिंग में.
यस. Let's go. So we are headed to Biswajit's apartment. वहाँ हम पार्टी करेंगे. We're going to drink and get drunk.
ये वाला करो ना फिर.
कल रात को भुजिया खा लिया.
भुजिया नहीं खाता था. भुजिया खा रहे थे.
बिस्कुट खा ले. दाल पीनट बटर खा लिया.
मेरे पास ना बादाम थे, अखरोट लिखे थे, बादाम थे. अखरोट खत्म हो गए. और रात को 11 बजे मैं कर रहा हूँ, अखरोट खत्म. बादाम.
Which building are you at? मैं third floor पे हूँ. And she's at some another building altogether.
So once. So he started last June. फिर उसका मुंबई फिर up. So he's done a great job putting all these things. And 3 घंटे सो के. So he's done a great job kind of recording all these movements and all that effort goes in is being done by Manish. So he's done a great job. Pretty happy. You guys next time. Signing off. So we're ending our last day, and we had a great time this time. And we just have a discussion. We'll be back in December.
Yes.
And
And get qualification.